All right, go. Show me a sombrero show. Mexican dance moves. That's awesome. Come on, Madison. Want to do a dance move? You want to wear a hat too? All right. Maybe Caitlin can put on
It's
that.
not really heavy.
Let me see. Where are you? There she is. I see her.
She doesn't like it that much, does she?
I think she likes the idea more than she likes actually wearing it. Let me see.
My name is Eric. Don't erase it. Here. Hold it up. You gotta fall over.
Let me see.
Show mommy.
Show me. Show
Show
me.
mommy.
Ooh, you look cute. Look at you. Pretty girl with your sombrero. You're pretty with your sombrero. Yeah, you are. You look pretty. Wow.
She's in the shade. It's like right there.
It's
Here,
so
you can have
cute.
this back. You erased it. And write it all over again in a better way.